Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this easy, soft, glam makeup look. So let's get started. I'm first going to prep my skin with the e.l.f. booster drops, and what this does is that it hydrates my skin and it preps it for the foundation. To fill in the pores, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this is going to help to smooth out any deep pores or fine lines on my face. And then I'm going to spot conceal with my Juvia's Place concealer. I'm sorry. And this is in the shade 16, so I'm just going to dab that on my dark marks and I'm going to blend it out with a brush. For foundation, I'm of course going in with La Mer, and this is in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to apply a very thin layer. I just want the skin to be light and luminous. Now I'm going to take that same concealer and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes to really brighten and cancel out any darkness. You guys, this concealer is so nice. Like, it has a thin consistency, but it really covers a lot. And so now I'm taking my Huda Beauty powder and banana and I'm just going to set and bake. Moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to prime with that same concealer and blend it out lightly. I just want everything to have a nice light wash, so I'm not going to pack on too much. And then I'm taking my Kylie bronzer in Almond and I'm going to contour the nose. So I'm working that up into the brow, and then slowly I'm going to blend and buff into my crease. For eyes, I'm using this Old Morphe palette and I'm taking that deep matte plum shade and I'm just placing that on the lid with a fluffy brush. So slowly I'm going to pack on the color and work it upwards so that I can start to diffuse and buff it out. They actually don't even make this palette anymore, guys. This is actually my mom's. She got it a few years back, but you can definitely recreate this look with shades that you might already have. Now I'm going back in with that bronzer shade we first used, and I'm just going back over the crease to make sure those colors are blended. And then for the brow bone, I'm just going to take this lighter shade, and that's the look for the eyes. Really, really simple and easy. And then I'm just going to line my lash line and apply mascaras to prep for lashes. Alright, so after we put our lashes on, I'm just going to sweep away all that bake that caught any fallout from the purple shadow. And then I'm going back in with the last shade in the palette, which is basically a light shimmer, and I'm just going to brighten the inner corner to really make the eyes pop. And then I'm going to take that almond bronzer by Kylie Cosmetics and I'm going to warm up the face. For blush, I'm using Baddie on the Block by Kylie Cosmetics, and I feel like this shade is perfect because it really complements the purple eyes and pink cheeks. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face, and it looks like my neck hurts. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with the Ofra Glow Goals highlighter. It's so bomb and skin-like. I freaking love this highlighter, guys. I'm obsessed with this makeup look because look at my base, you guys. You can still see my freckles, and I don't know. The makeup just looks really good. So I'm just gonna put mascara on the lower lashes, and then I'm taking the ColourPop lip balm just to add some peachiness to the lips to really complement the look. And then clear gloss, and this is the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to follow my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.